Okay, ma'am. Let's start.
Am I visible?
Yes, you are visible and audible as well. So, shall we start?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Yes, ma'am. Very good evening to you. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you so much for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. Thank you very much for asking. Okay, please
Yeah.
introduce yourself.
Yeah, this is Sanjna, and I'm from MP, but I'm living in Delhi since my childhood, and I'm a mother of two children. So if I talk about my qualifications, so I'm graduated, and my hobbies are listening music, doing some creativity arts, paintings, and learning new things. These are my hobbies, and in these days, I'm very passionate about to learn English language. Yeah, that's all about me.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's a nice introduction, ma'am.
yeah.
Okay, shall I introduce myself?
Yes, yes, I would like to know about you.
Okay, my name is Mamta Yadav. I hail from Haryana. It's means I'm from Gurugram. It's nearby Delhi.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
and yes, I have done BCA, and as a profession, I am a teacher, computer teacher. And if
Mm-hmm.
I talk about my my hobbies are cooking, stitching, and dancing, and connecting with new people. That's
Okay,
all
ma'am.
about myself.
Are you YouTuber as well, ma'am?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
Okay, so what is your channel name?
Uh, it is Let's Learn English. And
Okay.
do you also have?
Yes, I have. And my YouTube channel name is Let's Learn English with Sanjana. Yes. And
Okay,
I
okay,
started 4 months ago. Yeah.
4 months
Yes.
ago.
Four
Okay.
months.
How
Yes, 4 months.
4 months ago. Okay. How is it going?
Yeah, it's going smoothly. Yes.
Okay.
What about your?
Okay. I doesn't feel. Mm, I doesn't feel like that. It is going well, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay because
Uh,
main thing is that we are practicing our communication skill because we want to improve our communication, right?
yeah, that's the reason for creating the YouTube channel. I also wanted to improve myself. That's only I created my YouTube channel and uploading my video on that channel. So that's all. Nothing else.
Okay. So, are you uploading conversation only or solo videos as well?
Now still I am uploading conversation videos. Sometimes I upload solo videos. Not every
Yeah.
time,
Okay. So,
but I will do later on.
yes, I also want to know about your English journey. When did you started? How long have you been learning this language?
Yeah, okay, thank you. I tell you everything my about my English journey, and I started my journey during Corona time.
Mm-hmm.
And since then, I have been learning English language. And if I talk about my conversation journey, I started it from February, and it's been
Mm-hmm.
uh, 2.5 months.
Yes. Oh, that's
So
great. Yeah.
yeah,
So,
earlier I used to converse with my partner only,
okay.
but
So,
nowadays
do
I'm connecting
you
with
have any kids?
different people.
Yeah. Do
Yeah,
you have any kids? You have kids also?
yeah, yeah. I have two kid children.
They are going to school?
Yeah, my elder son has given his 10th board exam, and my daughter
Hmm?
is in 7th standard.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. So, if you want to any topic discuss, if you have, so you can suggest.
Do you have you
No,
prepared any topic?
no, no.
Okay, I can ask you about friends. Do you have friends?
Yes, I have more friends, but my best friend is named Mamtash. It is
Okay,
coincident. Her name is.
okay,
She is my childhood friend. and this time she is also,
Okay. Where does
yeah,
she live? Where does she live?
she lives in Delhi.
Okay, you are living in same city.
Yes, and I also living in Delhi since my childhood, and I completed my all studies, all graduations in from Delhi University and Delhi school. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So you might have meet with each other every day.
No, no, because this time when we were a child at that time, at the school we met, but this time we can't because she is also married. I'm also married, so it is very difficult. Yeah, sometime we met very long period. Oh my God, my phone has fell down.
What happened? What happened?
My phone has fell down suddenly.
Okay, okay. You are on the floor, terrace. You are on the terrace.
Yes, actually,
You
my
are on the
son
terrace.
is watching TV. Yes,
Okay.
yeah. So since very long time, I met with my best friend. Yeah, I
Okay.
think
When did
last
you
year
met
I
with?
met.
Okay, last year.
Last year, yes.
Okay, and do you confide your secrets with you? Do you confide in with your friends?
Yes, only with Mamta I confide. All the secrets I share with her, and I can't, hide my all secrets with her. I can't because whenever I don't met every day with her, but I talk with phone with her all day, at least
Okay,
15 or 20 minutes or a half an hour. I talk with her, and she also share all the things with me, and I share with her. Yeah, so
okay.
yes,
Do you speak everything in English language or in your native language?
in my native language because I know English well, but she don't, because she told me that yes, I don't like English language. Yeah, so she can't.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
she
very
can
so.
speak
Okay,
little bit. She can speak little bit. So
I
I
think
told
I
her,
think
yeah,
she is the one. She is the one who is saying I don't like English language. Otherwise, everyone likes English language. It's a global language.
yeah,
So
and also I passionate about this language since my childhood, but at that time I was no atmosphere or environment, I can say, because at my home nobody speak in English, and at my school nobody speak in English. Only we studied in a school as a subject for getting good marks, because I studied in a Hindi medium school, which is in government school. So my English was very weak. Yeah. So
yeah,
yes,
okay. Please don't mind when you speak about past. You have to use second form and keep everything in past.
okay.
Okay, and if you are talking about your discontinued habit, then use used to.
Used to,
I
yes.
used to go to
Sometimes
school with
I
her.
know. I know all the things, but when I speak now, so I just forget. I know
Uh,
these
it,
things.
it it
Yeah.
happens, but let think and then speak. Think and then speak.
Yes.
But
Okay.
I think. Please tell me your journey. When did you start learning English? It's
I
only
started.
4 months.
Yes, 4 month. It has
Okay,
completed.
it's your beginning days, so it's okay with mistakes.
Yeah.
At the beginning state we do lots of mistakes, so don't think about the mistake. Just speak, but
Yes.
you have to work on your English. And miss, after completing this video, you have to listen again this video and then find out what mistake have you done.
Yes. Yes. I will. And also
Like
when
with
yes.
she with she we use does, not do.
Okay. With
she
she.
she is a she is a third person singular, that's why we will use does and
Yes.
does
And
not.
yes, yesterday night I was practice that thing, but suddenly I'm doing mistakes.
Yeah, it happens. No issue.
Yeah.
No issue. You can carry on,
Yes.
but later on you can improve. You
Yes.
are doing mistake. It's a good things. When we learn something, we do lots of mistakes. But after that, we have to improve our mistakes. Like
Yes.
whatever mistake you have done in this video, and
Mhm.
you have to keep in mind next time you are not going to commit these mistakes again. This is
Yes.
the
Yes.
process of learning any language.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, when I speak past now, so this is the means a weak part of me, because when I speak now, so at that time I do lots of mistake in my past tense. Yes.
Yeah, it happens. Past, I tell you about past. When we talk
Yes.
about affirmative sentence, and
Mm-hmm.
if we talk about positive sentence, then we have to use only subject,
Yes.
we too.
Second form. Yeah. Second form of verb.
Yeah, definitely. And then
Yes.
object. If object is there in your sentence, then use object. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it's simple. A second form will use only in past indefinite tense. Okay, other
Mm-hmm.
uh, and if you are making negative sentence, then you have to use did. With did
Yes.
we use verb first form.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, like मैं कल market नहीं गई. I didn't go to market yesterday.
Yes. Yes.
I didn't go to market yesterday.
That
This
is.
is the negative sentence. Okay, this time we use go, first form of verb.
Yes.
Okay,
Only in affirmative we use second form of verb, then we use first form of verb. Yes, and only
yeah,
past perfect tense we use had plus v3. Yes, I know these things, but when
yes.
I speak, so at that time it happens that I forgot, and it only means lack of practice. Yes, lack of practice. It happens.
Yeah, you can take one simple sentence and then uh, translate that sentence in every tense, like first present indefinite tense, then present perfect continuous, then
Yes.
past, past indefinite, past
Mm-hmm.
continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Then future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, and you can
Yes.
skip future perfect, no, not perfect, then future perfect, and you can skip future perfect continuous because it is not spoken a lot.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you can skip.
Really, it is.
Take one sentence and make all the tenses on the behalf
Mm-hmm.
of that sentence and speak
Yeah.
out. Speak whenever you are writing, then speak aloud every sentence in a flow. Like I write, I don't write, I am writing, I'm not writing. This is how. Like if you
Yes.
take I write, मैं लिखती हूँ, I write, I don't write, do I write, do I don't, do I writing? We can ask,
Mm-hmm.
sorry, do I write? We can ask question as well. This is how we
Yes.
can. And next is uh, perfect, present perfect.
Yes.
Have
Yes.
you written? Have you written? Have you not written?
Yes.
And
Mm-hmm.
next past present perfect continuous. Like I
Yes.
have been writing sentences. I have been writing sentences since morning.
Yes.
I have not been writing sentences since morning. Have
Yes.
I
Yes.
been writing sentences since morning? Have I
Mm-hmm.
not been writing sentences since morning? Like this. We have to practice.
Yes,
Just
I
take one
understand that
example.
you are saying great thing, because earlier when 20 days ago I used these things, but
I used,
before, yes, I
sorry for
used
interrupt,
20 days.
I used to.
I used to. Okay, I used to these things, but I went to my in-laws' house. So this time I stopped all my English journey now. So that time I'm not doing anything practice this time. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why it
So
is
what,
happening.
if you want to learn English, you have to practice more and more. You will improve very
Yes.
soon.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay. And
So
what
do
do
you
you do in leisure? Yeah. What do you do in your leisure time?
no leisure time. Rarely I get leisure time. Yeah. So mostly when I get leisure time, so I do painting because I love to do painting.
Okay,
Yes.
first focus on one thing. First focus on one thing. While learning English, you can devote your time for your English language right now. So, and okay, please
Mm-hmm.
tell me about your daily routine. Please tell me
Yes.
about your daily routine.
Okay, so I usually I walk up or wake up. Usually I wake up early in the morning at 6 a.m. and then I go to my bathroom. I freshen up, then I brush my teeth. After that, I take bath. Then I worship to God. After that, I go to my kitchen to prepare breakfast for my kids. Because my younger son is going to school, so that's why. And after that, I cook all my food, and then I do all my household chores. After that, I do all my household chores. Then I help to my husband for because we have a shop of Chinese food, so we make all the items at our home. Yes, so that's why we work, both together. We both are team, so we make all the things at my home, and then after 3:30, we complete all the things, and then when my husband has gone to shop, he goes to shop. Then I do all my household chores, like I wash my dishes, I wash my clothes, and then after that, at 4 o'clock, I take 1 or 2 sessions if okay, and then after 5 o'clock, I make tea. Then I teach my kids. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I have got you some mistakes.
Yes,
Not
yes,
younger,
please.
elder one. Not younger, elder.
Oh yeah. Oh my God.
No issue. I caught some mistake, not lots of. And another mistake I found, my husband has gone to. So
चले गए.
it's the present
Oh,
perfect.
sorry, sorry. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
means
Yeah.
जाते हैं. My husband
Yes,
go to shop at
yes.
about
My
3 o'clock.
good. Yeah.
It's a routine. When we tell about a daily routine, if we
Mm-hmm.
are telling it in present tense, then we have to keep it only present indefinite tense. Don't jump another tense. And we can tell the daily routine in past as well. If you are telling about your past routine, so you
My
have
routine.
to tell everything past indefinite tense only.
Yes. Right.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, yes.
So can I stop the recording because it's been 18 minutes?
Okay. You can.